Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Canva resume templates and upload to LinkedIn. Complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top to type resume and hit enter. Browse through the variety of resume templates available. Select a template that best matches your style and preferences. Click on the chosen template to open it in the editor. Customize the template by clicking on the text boxes. You can change the font style, size, and color to fit your needs. To add sections, use the Elements tab on the left side and drag and drop new text boxes. If you want to change colors or backgrounds, use the Color Palette tool. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the Share button located at the top right. In the sharing options, select Download. Choose the file format you prefer, such as PDF or PNG. Click the Download button to save the file to your device. Now, open LinkedIn and log into your profile. Navigate to the Me icon at the top and select View Profile. Scroll down to the Featured section. Click on the plus sign to add a new feature. Choose Media from the options provided. Upload the resume file you just downloaded from Canva. Add a title and description to highlight your skills and experience. Once done, click the Save button to add it to your profile. Review your profile to ensure your resume appears correctly. Now your Canva resume is successfully uploaded to LinkedIn. You can share it with potential employers directly through your LinkedIn account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.